Hello people and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Deep Roy Chaudhary and I'm just a normal guy who talks about stuff that seems interesting and important to me. And today I'm going to talk about bamboo based products yet again. So yeah, as I've already told you that bamboo is way more eco-friendly. Bamboo is cheaper to grow. Bamboo takes bamboo takes much less water to grow, and bamboo doesn't for the sake of growing bamboo trees, you don't need fertilizers, you don't need pesticides, you don't need anything. Literally, you don't need anything other than a little amount of water and a little amount of exposure to sunlight. And I'm pretty sure that maybe there might be other things that you might need, but compared to traditional growing a traditional forest, I'm pretty sure that bamboo is actually way less resource intensive, I guess. And bamboo is basically, I did not know that bamboo is basically kind of a miracle plant. I just googled about bamboo, about the myriad number of benefits that that bamboo apparently has. Bamboo does have, and I did not know about it. I just googled it right, maybe a few minutes ago, and I came to know that bamboo is the fastest growing plant on planet Earth. Fastest growing plant on planet Earth. And I did not know about that. I mean, apparently bamboo can grow up to 3 to 4 feet within just 24 hours. Maybe some few species of bamboo can grow up to 3 to 4 feet within just 24 hours. So you can literally see it grow in front of your eyes. And let me give you another statistic. Let's assume you have 1 hectare of land, or maybe 10 hectares of land. 10 hectares of land, you are going to use that land for harvesting timber. So now, as opposed to growing a traditional forest on that 10 hectares on that 10 hectares of land, if you grow the bamboo just bamboo on that 10 hectares of land, the amount of timber that you can get from a bamboo forest compared to a traditional forest is actually 20 times more, I think. Just Google about that statistic. I've kind of forgotten about it, but I think a bamboo forest can give you 20 times more timber compared to a traditional forest for that same amount of land. So I would say that's a very win-win situation, because bamboo is not only more cost effective, but it also gives you more timber for the same amount of land compared to a traditional forest. Bamboo-based paper is actually way more eco-friendly. Although bamboo-based, for example, bamboo-based toilet paper is more expensive than traditional toilet paper. But I'm pretty sure that with more research and with more money being poured into that research for the sake of making cheaper and cheaper bamboo products, I'm pretty sure that companies can figure out a way of making cheaper and cheaper bamboo toilet paper. And I would say that, that's a win-win situation. And people also have to make that choice. People also have to make sure that there is a huge amount of demand for bamboo-based products. We make sure that there is a huge amount of demand for bamboo-based paper, bamboo-based books that are published. The paper that is used in those books should be the source of that paper should be bamboo as opposed to traditional forests. Imagine the number of forests that we would be able to save if the source of paper for various things is bamboo instead of traditional forests. But then there is another argument as well, that we should make sure that for the sake of getting more bamboo-based products, we should not clear away huge amounts of land for the sake of creating more bamboo forests. We should not do that, of course. But the benefits of bamboo are pretty clear. Bamboo manufactures way more oxygen, 30% more oxygen, gives out 30% more oxygen compared to traditional plants or traditional forests. Bamboo takes in way more carbon dioxide compared to traditional forests. So in my opinion, I remember there was a movement or there is a movement ongoing. There are various afforestation movements going on around the world that basically are saying that we should plant more trees, because because if 1 billion trees are planted on planet Earth, then that would mean that a huge amount of carbon dioxide would be sucked in from the atmosphere, and that would basically mean that that global warming could be decreased to a great extent. So I would say that's a very good thing. But there's another suggestion that I have for people. Why not we should plant all kinds of trees, but also we should also plant a huge number of bamboo trees, because if bamboo trees can give you 30% more oxygen compared to traditional trees, why not also plant with other trees as well? Why not also plant bamboo trees as well? Because bamboo trees give you more oxygen, take in way more carbon dioxide compared to traditional forests. So I'm not saying that we should stop planting other forests. We should stop growing other forests, but bamboo forests should also be grown alongside those traditional forests. That's all I'm saying. More on this in the next video, I think. Until then, please consider liking this video. Please consider subscribing to my channel. Please consider sharing this video with your friends and acquaintances. And please consider subscribing to my channel. That would help me a lot. Until then, until the next video, stay safe, goodbye, and God bless you.